Step into Newcastle upon Tyne and find your new home away from home at City Co-Living Newcastle. Choose from a variety of stylish studios and ensuite apartments, each meticulously designed to suit your needs. Enjoy fully furnished rooms with high-end luxurious appliances. Relax on a bespoke sofa and unwind in comfort. But that's not all. Share meals and make memories in the inviting dining area with friends. Stay active in the state-of-the-art gym and enjoy your weekends in the cinema room, or impress your friends with your singing talent in the karaoke lounge. With INTO Newcastle University and Newcastle University just moments away, City Co-Living Newcastle pulsates with vibrant student life. On weekends, get a buzz at the Bridge Tavern Gastro Pub and enjoy live performances at Live Theatre. For grocery shopping, take advantage of the Quayside Sunday Market. Commuting is a breeze with Quayside Guildhall Bus Stop and Tyne Bridge North End Bus Stop nearby. Embrace the dynamic spirit of City Co-Living Newcastle, a tapestry of comfort, style, and convenience. Secure your spot in this lively student haven today at amberstudent.com and embark on your Newcastle upon Tyne adventure.